Now we shall discuss one more question based on the permutation and combination. See this one. 5 times 4pr is equals to 6 times 5pr minus 1. Solve for r. See this one. It is 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 minus r factorial is equals to 6 into 5 factorial upon 5 minus this one. It is minus r plus 1. It is this 6. Remember, take care of the symbol here. Now it is 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 minus r factorial. It is 6 into 5 factorial. It is 6 minus r factorial. Now one important thing we discussed before going further for the questions. See this one. It is 4 factorial. It is 5. If I want to open it, I can open. But I gave a new thing to you. Whenever a factorial number is multiplied with its next number, for example, if you write down 4 factorial, its answer is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And if this number is multiplied both sides by 5, it becomes 5 into 4 factorial. It is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. We know very well, whenever we open a factorial, we always start from that number and reduce 1 in each step, and at the last we reach at 1. So if you see this side, 5, starting number is 5, reducing 1 at a time, 4, then 3, then 2, and at last 1. So in general, it is a continuous product of 1 to 5. So it can be written as 5 factorial. Or if you open the 5 factorial, what is your answer? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it means whenever a factorial number is multiplied with its next number, then factorial shift its position. 4 factorial is changed into 5 factorial. So if you want to change this 4 factorial into 5, you can change. Or if you want to open it, you can open. It is your choice. It is 4 minus r factorial. It is 6 into 5 factorial upon 6 minus r. If I want to change 5 factorial into 6, we can change, but there is no use, because symbol of equality tell us this is the 5 factorial, this is 5 factorial, they get cancelled. Due to that, I have not changed in this one, only change in one side. See, this gets cancelled. Now it is 4 minus r, it is 6 minus r. Which have the larger value? It is from 4 r is subtracted. From 6 r is subtracted. So definitely this value is a larger one. 1 upon 4 minus r factorial. 6 upon, it is 6 minus r, reducing 1, it is 5 minus r, reducing 1, it is 4 minus r factorial, and this get cancelled. Multiply, it is 6 minus r into 5 minus r is equals to 6, or 6 5s are 30 minus 6r minus 5r plus r square minus 6 equals to 0. Or r square minus 11r plus 24 equals to 0. Now go for factorization by splitting its middle term. R square minus 11r plus 24 is equals to 0. Factorize r square. 8 3s are 8r minus 3r plus 24 equals to 0. R common, r minus 8 minus 3 common, r minus 8 equals to 0. R minus 8, r minus 3 equals to 0. R minus 8 equals to 0. R minus 3 equals to 0. R is equals to 8 and r is equals to 3. You get the two different value. Now see which value is accepted. If you take r as a 8, 4r 8, which is not possible because n is always greater than r. So this value cannot be exist. So this value should be reject. Remember it. R is equals to 3. It is 4p3. Acceptable because r is less than n. In check here, R is 3, it is 5, 3 minus 1, 2. Again R is less than. So in both the situation, R will be the value 3, satisfied the condition. So our answer is R is equals to 3, not equals to 8.